Well, here's the latest edition. Had this calf yesterday, and little girl, and she's big. She's probably 10 or 15 pounds heavier than that other calf. Got some long legs on her. I'll get her stand up in just a second. Mama licked her off real quick. She stood up right quick. She went straight to the teat and started sucking. So, man, she's gonna be good. And 1 day old. She's already strong looking. She's a whole lot bigger than that black one was. Still, the black one's about 5-6 days older than her. And she's still just a lot bigger than that one. But anyway, but that's out of the red cow and the red Angus bull. And got a little bit of scars, not too bad, but that's gonna be expected. Mama's got a lot of milk. Mama's got a good bag. You know, I was gonna tell you some terminologies. Some of you know them, some of you don't. But when a cow is close to delivering, and this is some of the terms we use down here in Texas. I don't know whether everybody uses it or not, but her bag will start to get some milk in it. We call that springing. She'll start getting some milk in her bags, and then in her bag, and then when her teats, when they really start getting some milk in the teats, we call that strutting. You know, we'll say, you know, she's starting to bag up, or she's springing, or yeah, she's strutting, so she's about ready, whatever. And that just means the milk's there, milk's down. Milk is, you know, she's ready to have a calf. God knows what he's doing. He's placing the milk there before the calf gets there. And, you know, I don't have to tell you, God knows what he's doing, but you know what I mean. And this one here is about 3 weeks away. That's my white one. She's about 3 weeks away. And if you can see, she really hadn't started to bag up yet. She just barely can see her udder under there. And so she hadn't really started to bag up like you do right before. And I'll try to get a shot of it before she calves. Try to get a shot of it and show you just exactly what I'm talking about someday. But anyway, that's just some terminology. Again, these are heifers, which means they haven't had a calf before. And so this is that's a first calf heifer right there. And she is just a heifer that has not had a calf yet. Now, once they've had their second calf, then you call them cows. At least that's my understanding. I think maybe even with their bred and haven't had their second calf yet, you still call them a heifer. But I'm not sure. I may be wrong. Somebody correct me on that. It could be that once they've had their calf and get pregnant again, you call it a cow. But anyway, that's what we're looking at here. Is she has not started to bag up yet. She is not springing. She's about 3 weeks away, by my calculations, than the other mama here, who just had that yesterday. Big calf, big heifer calf. The bull that I use is the neighbor's bull next door. I trade out pasture land for breeding rights, and his bull throws about a 45-pound calf. It's registered, got some EPDs on it, which basically lets you know about what the calf is going to look like and grow off like. And so anyway, that's from a registered red Angus bull. And there's Cracker. Cracker not springing yet. Cracker not ready yet. Just want to throw some terminology at you. And a lot of people will say, well, you know, she's got some ear on her. That means her ears are a little long, which basically means she's got some bramer in them. Or they'll say, yeah, she got a little ear and hump. You know how a bramer will have a hump on their back. Well, some of their prodigy will also have just a little bit of a hump, and she's got a little bit of a hump, but she's got some ear, so she's got a little bramer. Probably a little. She was Brangus cross, so she's got some bramer in her too. Maybe Charolais and bramer, or Brangus, I'm not sure. But anyway, just want to show you. I got 3 cows. 2 of them have calved, and one of them is going to. I'm going to let you go. We're going.